Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sagar.Utekar and today I'm going to share another job opening with you. Without ado, let's get started. I'll share my screen, break down the JD, what are the skill set they are looking for. Possible, I'll share the salary range, kind of question they asked in the interview rounds and different interview rounds they will have for this role. We'll try to do some research about the company, prepare well for this company. Okay, so with that, let's get started. Okay. So I share only genuine openings on my YouTube channel. I got this post on one of my LinkedIn, um, from one of my LinkedIn connection. This opening is site reliability engineer at Quest Diagnostics. What they are looking for, if you are passionate about building system excellence through deep observability, okay, observability is good, highly available systems. Those are the keywords. Then they are looking for a such talented SRE member to join their dynamic team in Hyderabad. This opening is in Hyderabad. Skill set, what they are seeking, a strong observability, reliability mindset, and a passion for automation. Hands-on experience with Terraform and Ansible, deep, deep expertise in modern observability platforms or tools, especially Dynatrace. Interesting. With exposure to Cribl and OpsRamp. Proven experience in building and managing infrastructure monitoring solution. What all things I can you know highlight here is the observability, um, Terraform, and experience with Dynatrace and Cribl maybe. This is what they are looking for. If this is a best match, please send your resume on this profile. msuresh.mailme at gmail.com. Preferred immediate joiners. So they are looking for immediate joiners. If you are looking for immediate joining, this is the job opening perfect for you. How did I come across this opening? So the opening is by the senior SRE technical manager Suresh Madhuri, and let's verify the authenticity of this post. We can see Suresh is a SRE senior technical manager working at Quest Diagnostic. He recently joined, but I'm glad he's sharing the job opening with us. You can reach out to him or you can mail him. Let's try to understand the JD first about the company and everything. I'll share these. Okay, as I told in the previous video as well, what we are going to do is use AI to get the details about the company, interview process, salary brand, JD, and resume tips as well. Why not use AI, right? Because for everything, almost whatever the day-to-day activities we do, we use AI. So let's try to use AI for job finding as well. I'll share this JD and ask a couple of questions. Hello, can you tell me about company, role, salary, band, resume tips, to process, what else? Let's start with this at least. Cool. So we got answers for our questions. Quest Diagnostic is a Fortune 500 healthcare company, technology company. Its Hyderabad facility, the Global Information Center, is a major hub for its digital transformation and engineering services. For the SRE role, the company is looking for specialists to drive system reliability through advanced observability and automation. That's what I said. I highlighted those terms, observability and automation. But Quest Diagnostic, the company is really doing good. Core business is a leading global provider of diagnostic information services, impacting roughly um, 550,000 patients live daily. Work culture in Hyderabad, highly rated for work-life balance, role, and a supportive, inclusive environment. Employees often highlight fair appraisal system and people first culture. I see. Office and location, Hyderabad, GIC, established in 2018, featured modern design and follows a typical hybrid work policy. Hybrid work policy, that's good. The SRE role, the role focuses on infrastructure monitoring and performance engineering to ensure high availability. Key responsibilities and requirements include focus areas, defining SLOs, managing error budgets, and automating manual tasks to reduce time. Makes sense. It's a SRE role. Tech stack, deep expertise in Dynatrace, of course, Terraform, and Ansible. Exposure to Cribl and OpsRamp is preferred. Yeah. Prerequisite typically requires 3 to 5 years of SRE experience with a strong background in scripting, Python, Bash, and Go. In cloud platforms, AWS and Azure. Salary band in Hyderabad, or okay, we did not get a salary band for the SRE role, but we have the salary band. Okay, there you could see for software engineer 2, it's between 15 to 20 lakh. For software engineer 3 or SRE equivalent, it's 22 to 39 lakh. Cloud engineer, it's 20 to 29 lakh. And senior software engineer is 24 to 33 lakh, which is very good um, salary band. So interview process and resume tips. Interview stages, phone initial screening with HR. Technical rounds focuses on Dynatrace configuration, infrastructure as a code, scripting. Be prepared for competency-based and situational questions. Like describe a time you handle a critical system failure. Okay. And finally, the third round will be with hiring manager or panel interview. Deep dive into SR principles like error budget, SLIs, SLOs, and automation strategies. Resume tips highlight observability. Explicitly list your hands-on expertise, experience with Dynatrace, Cribl, and OpsRamp. First, showcase automation. Quantify how you use Terraform or Ansible to improve system reliability or reduce manual effort. And the third thing is use SRE keywords such as MTTR, SLIs, SLOs, error budgets, system uptime percentage. Perfect. So what else we need? Um, okay, so this is everything I wanted to cover in this particular video. I hope you are enjoying this video. Um, Please make sure you like, share, subscribe my channel, and share this opening with your friends who is looking for the jobs or SRE opening. Okay, bye bye. Take care. See you in the next.